Welcome to my channel, The Craft. This channel is dedicated to showing you designs as well as tips, tricks, and how to make various crafts ranging from hearts, fascinators, hand fan, bouquet, and much more. For in our last video, the triple-decker base crinoline fascinator, we had these two crinoline, one with thread and one without. And someone asked in the comments, how do we fix the one without a thread? Now stay tuned, we'll show you how. Here are two crinolines we used last time. Now notice, there's a thread in this one, and there's no thread in this crinoline. On both sides, if you check, no thread at all. How do we work with it? Okay, so let me show you. So let's just take 18 inches, that's half a yard. Let's cut out half a yard. Let's assume we want to work with half a yard. Okay. The next thing you do is you thread your needle with the same color, a matching color with the crinoline. The thread should be just one single thread, but of course there will be double on one side, but you make it small because that one would not be part of what you would need for the crinoline. Then you do running stitches at one edge like I'm doing now. So you ensure that as you're pulling up the needle, that you take out the part that has the double thread. Just the single thread is what you need. Can you see it? So we do it all the way down to the measurement that you want to use, any quantity you want to use. Once you've cut out, you do the same thing. So you can see we can pull it. See, we pull it. So that's it. Quite easily done. Thank you.